Hello everyone, welcome and thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to a mobile device, a mobile Bluetooth device. Today, if you have a pre-existing PlayStation 4 controller that is connected to your console, you want to go ahead and turn off the console and plug it out to make sure that, in this step that it doesn't accidentally turn on your console. So next step, you want to go ahead and reset once you turn off your console to reset the controller by using a small tool by inserting it into the insertion right at the back of the controller next to the left side, left trigger. Hold that for about 10 seconds. Once you reset your controller, you want to go ahead and put it in discovery mode by pressing the PlayStation button, sorry, and the share button, and hold that down until the controller flashes or until it asks your phone to pair. If your phone is already connected to Bluetooth, it would automatically ask you to pair to it. You can go ahead and click pair. If you are having difficulty with this part, you can go into your settings area, connection, and go into your Bluetooth, and there you can see in the settings once your PlayStation is in discovery mode, and you can go ahead and click on it. Once your PlayStation controller is connected to your phone, you can now control your phone using this device. It has all the features you can use. You can open all the apps you want. It has a touchpad to use as a mouse, and there you go. Now my PlayStation 4 is connected to my mobile device. You can use this trick also for a computer or any Bluetooth device. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.